Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And firstly we need to add this feature to the control. To do this, open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. Then you need to go to the settings. And right here at the second line we have control settings. Tap at this line, and now we can add it for the press, single press or double press. So if you want to add it for the press, you just scroll down and tap at the voice assistant. It's the same with the double press, you just tap and select voice assistant. Okay, I just change it I guess, because by default it uses game mode. So then you just tap at the voice assistant, but let's add it for the single press. So voice assistant here, and now we will use Bluetooth button, what located on your right ear cup. Right here we have it near to the USB-C port and volume down button, so I need to only single press. And as you can see, Siri awake, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!